Meaning of discreetly.
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 Discreetly. The term discreetly refers to performing an action in a careful and cautious manner while maintaining a low profile in order to avoid attracting attention or causing disturbance. It suggests acting with tact, circumspection, and subtlety in order to safeguard one's privacy or maintain confidentiality. By adopting such an approach, individuals can conduct themselves in a way that appears respectful and considerate of others, while avoiding unnecessary conflict or controversy. Thus, being discreet often involves a heightened level of awareness, sensitivity, and self-control.